In this video, I will show you how to switch opponent in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do first is, of course, open up Monopoly Go on your device. So here we are on Monopoly Go, as you can see. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is actually land onto one of the train station spaces to start a shutdown. So what I'm going to do is just go around the board until I land on the dice, and then I'll show you how to go ahead and switch an opponent. So here we are, as you can see, I've landed on a train station, so we're just going to go into the shutdown screen. Now to actually go ahead and switch an opponent, it's very easy to do. Once you come into the shutdown, if you look at the very bottom, you're going to see the option down here to switch opponents. So what you want to do is press onto this, and what you can do is get revenge on someone that's previously targeted you. So you can see down here a list of people you can get revenge on, or if you come up to the top, you've got the friends tab, so you can choose to go to one of your friends as well. So I'm just going to go onto the revenge tab, and what I'm going to do is change to this person's board. So you just want to press the green go button, and as you can see, we've now switched opponents, so you can just go ahead and shut them down as per normal. So that's how to go ahead and switch an opponent on Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.